It was 11:47 p.m. I told myself, tonight, I'm actually going to study. Laptop open, notes ready, water bottle next to me, perfect setup. And then I picked up my phone, just for a second. Next thing I know, it's 2:16 a.m. I've watched 37 videos, learned nothing, and now I'm sitting there thinking, what is wrong with me? Why am I so lazy? But here's what nobody tells you. You're not lazy. Your brain is just overstimulated. See, I used to think I had no discipline. Like seriously, I'd sit down to work and my brain would just refuse. Not tired, not sleepy, just distracted. And I blamed myself until I started noticing something. Every morning, first thing I did was grab my phone, notifications, texts, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Before my feet even touched the ground, my brain was already overloaded. And that's when it hit me. If your brain starts the day with fast, easy dopamine, how is it supposed to enjoy something slow and hard? Like studying? It can't. Think about your day for a second. You're watching a lecture, but also checking your phone. You're doing homework, but your mind is somewhere else. You switch tabs, check messages, scroll a little, come back, repeat. It feels like you're working, but you're not actually moving forward. It's like running on a treadmill. A lot of effort, zero progress. And the worst part? At the end of the day, you feel exhausted. Not because you worked hard, but because your brain never got a break. So you quit. And then you tell yourself, I'll do better tomorrow. But tomorrow, the same cycle repeats. Here's what's actually happening. Your brain is being trained every single day to expect constant stimulation. Short videos, quick hits, instant rewards. So when it's time to do something important, your brain literally goes, why would I do this when I can get something easier? And just like that, you procrastinate, not because you're lazy, but because your brain is confused. So the real question is, how do you fix something that feels out of your control? I didn't fix this overnight. There was no one magic trick, but I tried something simple, and it changed everything. Step 1. The first thing I did, I stopped touching my phone for the first hour after waking up. No scrolling, no notifications, just silence. And I'm not gonna lie, it felt uncomfortable, like really uncomfortable. But after a few days, my mind felt clearer, slower, calmer. Step 2. Then I stopped telling myself, I need to study for 3 hours. Instead, I said, just 10 minutes. That's it. And funny thing is, once I started, I didn't want to stop. Step 3. Then I made one brutal change. I stopped relying on discipline, and I changed my environment. Phone in another room, laptop clean, no distractions. Because let's be real, if your phone is next to you, you're not winning that battle. But the biggest shift was this one. Step 4. I started doing nothing, literally just sitting. No phone, no music, no stimulation, just me and my thoughts. At first, it was boring, but then something crazy happened. My brain slowed down, and suddenly, studying didn't feel impossible anymore. Listen, you're not broken. You're not lazy. You've just been living in a world that profits from your distraction. Apps are designed to keep you hooked. Your attention is the product, and you've been caught in it, just like everyone else. So tonight, try something different. Put your phone away, sit down, and just start. Not for hours, just 10 minutes. That's it. Because the moment you take control of your attention, you take control of your life. And trust me, that's where everything changes. Let's level up.